All right, so like I said, I said we are going to be creating Bajumo Digital's website together. So the first thing we did, so if you know you want to learn more about WordPress, how to design a web design, basically web design, you want to be a web designer, you want to start charging 150,000, 100K per designs, 100, that's the amount we charge for the clients. So that's the amount we charge. So I will show you some of the work I've done. I will leave them on the description, so you can check some of my website on the description sections, so you can check it. So the first video I made was how to install domain name. So how to buy and install domain name. So if you want to get cheaper domain, there is, go to the description section. You see a link I left, so you can buy as cheap as $2 domain, $2. You can buy as cheap as that. That is around 1,200 naira in naira. So, and if you want to host it as well, you can reach out to me. I have hosting plan that I bought in multiple, so I can, help you out with the hosting plan as well. You don't really need to pay as much as 6,000 naira to buy your hosting plan. So, in this video, I'll be telling you about how you can install WordPress to your domain name, and also how you can add your SSL, that's the security of your website, to your domain name, because your security is very, very important. If you go to any website, if you check the browser, the top of the browser, you see a padlock sign. That padlock sign is what we call the SSL. Do you get the security certificate license or so? So that thing is very, very important. They can use it for fraudulent activity. So in this video is in two parts. The first one is how you can install WordPress, while the other part is how you can install the SSL. So make sure you watch the two of them so that you don't get lost. If you've been watching us for a very long time, meaning you are a subscriber, and if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and also please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to many other people. Then if you have any issues, WordPress can be frustrating, and you can have many errors when it comes to WordPress if you've not done this, if you have not gotten the experience before. So you make sure you subscribe, and make sure you reach out to me in case you have any issues. You can go to the comment section and give your comments, and make sure you like, and make sure you subscribe for you to go to your CPANEL. So to get to your CPANEL, the first domain name you bought, slash CPANEL. So that's how you get to your CPANEL. So you put your username and your password. When you register, when you buy hosting and domain, you'll be given email and password to your CPANEL. So just wait for it. It's loading. Let me pause the video. So, all right, this is what I meant when I said username and password. So you'll be given a username and password. Make sure you save the username and password. That's what you use to log in into your CPANEL. So once you are logging into the CPANEL, where you head down to where you have WordPress. So just go to where you have WordPress so that we can install WordPress to the domain you get. So go to WordPress, click on it. Once click on, so you can click on that custom one. Then from here you can pick the one that have the HTTPS as you are seeing it. Then you put your domain name, the one you just added to your hosting now. You put it. Then make sure you remove that WP. Make sure you remove that WP. Then from there put the name of your site, put the site's description, and put your password. So once you've done that, that is all you are going to do. Then you click on install. Do you get? So you click on install, you remove the my blog, you put your own name, the name you want to use for your site, the name of your site rather, and the description of your site, the way you want the SEO, the web search, the way you want it to display whenever you search it on Google. So that's how it's going to be. Then you don't need any other thing. If this plugin, you don't worry about the plugin. You can install plugin somewhere. But in case you want to install plugin here, just install Astra. Do you get? You can search for Astra and install Astra. So you can just install the WordPress. Now that the website is being installed, you click on the one that have WP at the end so that you can go to your WordPress dashboard after you've installed the WordPress. So after clicking this, you can see the connection is private, meaning there is no SSL. If you check, you can see that there is no padlock, that padlock stuff. So this is where we are going to install the SSL. So you go to your cPanel. When you get to your cPanel, you go to where you have security. That's where you head to. You go to security. So when you get to security, you click on Let's Encrypt SSL. Let's Encrypt SSL. That's where you are going to go to. So once you get here now, you go to the domain name that you have, then you click on issue. So you go to, I have different, so the one that you want to install now, that's Bajumo Digital, then you click on issue so that the SSL will be put there. Then make sure you like this video, and don't click on any other thing here. Just go and click on the issue, then everything will be done. The SSL will be there automatically. Just refresh the page. Don't click on any other thing. Don't add any other thing here. So it's going to be, so this is where you get to. So the next thing you need to do is to refresh your page. Then this is our website. So guys, this is our website. Bajumo Digital is now live. You can check it yourself. So now we'll talk more on how we are going to design the website, installing Astra and any other thing. So make sure you subscribe and also watch out for our next video and like the video and give any comments if you have any comment, and if there is anything you need, you can reach out to me. So thank you guys. See you on the next one.